Hi there, welcome back. This is Lou with Beauty and More by Lou. This video is going to be a review of my Ipsy bag. So, this is my June subscription bag, so stay tuned. Let's see what we got. Well, first off, we've got an awesome little makeup brush here. It's by Farrah. This is, according to the website, a blush and highlight brush. It retails for $18. Let's see, it says it's synthetic bristles. But this is, I guess, for your blush right there. And, oh, it feels really soft. And then your highlighter brush right there. Let's see, but yeah, this right here retails for $18 itself. And y'all, my Ipsy subscription box is $12. That's for everything. So that right there more than pays for itself. There's your first thing. And I've got a little cheat sheet down here. Y'all, I'm looking at my iPad so I can explain what they say, what these products are. So going here into it, it's a cute little bag. Look at that. Have fun. Heck yeah. Summer's here. Pulling out everything in here. Let's see. They start with a card. Do you? That's what I'm saying. This says this is for June, and you do get a description card for everything. So what we've got in here, and generally for the box itself, you get 5 things. This Skylar Hydrating Body Lotion with, it says it's got hyaluronic acid in it. It's a deluxe sample size. It says it smells really good. Capri Sparkling Citrus Sweet. And there's no parabens, sulfates, or phthalates in it. It's hypoallergenic and cruelty-free. It's got a little safety seal on it right there. So I've got to find my little knife so I can get in it because I want to smell it. Okay, it does smell very good. Let me see. It's kind of a florally, citrusy smell. It smells really fresh, but it feels like silk on your skin. It really does. It's a good hydrating lotion. So, and it's the size where you can just carry it in your purse. So that's awesome. So that's definitely a win for me in that box. Next thing that we have got, oh, here's another, oh, this is for your hair. Pure Brazilian Silk Smoothing Balm. This is a 30 milliliter deluxe sample, and it says it's for frizz control and smoothing. Good Lord, we know I need that. It just says to comb it through towel dried hair and then of course blow dry. But it's supposed to be really good for smoothing your hair. Now, I have not ever tried this, but I'm anxious to. So yeah, that's a good one. The next thing that we have is Mazzy Facial Cleanser. It's balancing multi-effect facial cleanser, and of course it's just a face wash, and it says safe for all skin types, so that's always good. Rose hip seed oil, citric acid, red seaweed extract, and geranium flower oil is what it's got. It's a daily detox, so that's apparently a really good facial cleanser, which I'm anxious to give it a whirl. And then the last thing that I got in the box, that, you know, you always get to choose one of your items. Well, I chose, because I love me some Tarte, a little sample size of their Lash Paint Mascara. And when I did my makeup, I did not put any mascara on because I want to do like a before and after with the Tarte. And this is just their deluxe sample size. But I have used this particular mascara in the past and I loved it. So I'm very excited that I got this in my box. So I'm going to put some mascara on and we'll do a before and after. So here's before with nothing on. Okay, and here we go. So you can clearly see the Tarte does its job, y'all. This is some good mascara. All of these little things right here came in the box. And in my opinion, 12 bucks for this stuff, yeah, it's worth it. I will definitely put a link below on how you can start your Ipsy subscription, y'all. To me, it's worth it. I mean, 12 bucks for all of that, yeah, it's definitely worth it. And who cannot always use a new makeup brush? That's it for this video. So that was my June bag from Ipsy, and I hope you enjoyed looking at it with me and seeing the results of that. Oh, that mascara is the bomb. If you want to see me open up my subscription boxes and show you all about them, stay with me and like, share, and subscribe, please, y'all. Take care, be sweet, and be thankful for the day. Take care. See you next time.